Okay, guys, so I'd like to walk you through US30's 500-point trading day. The day started, of course, a little bit of bullish, and then it dipped down just a little bit, tapped into a particular area, and went up 500 points. So as you know, Fed Powell was speaking yesterday and today. So let's start on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, and let's start marking up these areas of interest and where US30 was before it went up that amount of points. So we had this area right up here. Price was rejecting from this little area. This was a supply zone, but it's internal, of course. What I'm going to do is mark my swing high and my swing low. And then we'll go to the smaller time frame. Okay, so price has been sitting around in premium. We did leave a few areas in discount. And there's also an area down here. Okay, cool. So the new candle has not opened yet. This would be the previous day's high. And this will be the previous day's low. And from there, we'll go down to the 1 hour time frame. So here on the 1 hour time frame, we had this 1 hour area of interest right here. This was used as a demand zone. And I'm going to let price move just a little bit just so I can show you guys where we were as we started Wednesday. And I'll let it play until 8:30 a.m. Okay, right here. Perfect. Okay. So the move happened around, it started happening a little bit after 11 a.m. EST. So I'll show you guys the opening opportunity, and then the major opportunity was, in fact, at 11 a.m. EST. So with that being said, let's head down to the 15-minute time frame. Okay. So a lot of you noticed overnight that price had created demand on this 15-minute time frame right down here. So when the day started, and I may have to back up just a little bit. When the day started, there was a small area of interest right up here. Let's see, 8 a.m., 8 a.m., 8 a.m., 8 a.m. Okay, so this was around 9:15. This was a small area of interest right here. Price did go up right there. This is the 9:30 candle. Okay, so price came down into this area, and it came up, and the first take profit was right here. Like you would have been targeting this high somewhere right there, right? And that's where the first opportunity came. Okay, so as you know, guys, before we look to buy, we want to see a sweep happen. We want to see some lows being taken out if we're bullish. And it did not happen at 9:30. It wound up happening a little bit after. This was the sweep here. Price started to consolidate just a little bit. We felt to break or close above the high. So it came down, really confusing for a lot of traders. So a lot of traders decided to stay out of the market. Eventually, price started to break some highs. And remember those areas that we have on the higher time frame, right? We have this area way up here on the higher time frame, which would have been a target. And let's go back down to the 5-minute. Here's that area way up there. For the duration of the day, US30 continued to climb, giving really small retests. And it eventually went up into that area. And just to be sure that it was actually 500 points. Didn't quite make it there, but you guys get the point. It's consolidated, the market is closed. And let's go ahead and calculate that. Here was an internal entry, and you would have gotten maybe less than 100 points if you were trading the opening, and you would have gotten stopped out if you did not take profit. After sweeping out the early buyers, US30 went back down into a 15-minute demand, and for a total of 485 points, US30 continued to buy up deeper into premium, and this was the 500-point day. Thanks for watching.